We're also continuing to follow that massive fire that broke out Friday at an apartment complex that was under construction in Denver. Firefighters acted fast, preventing the blaze from destroying any homes.
And today, investigators announced that the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives is coming in to try to figure out how this all started. So Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter reports on where the investigation stands.
Fire crews are still on scene here, making sure any hot spots don't flare up. Their attention will soon shift towards the investigation into a possible cause. They say they want to get to the bottom of this quickly and are calling in extra resources to help. As of Tuesday, there is no official cause of the massive fire at this apartment complex that was under construction. Denver Fire is now working with the ATF, and the National Response Team has also been called in to help with the investigation. That will give Denver Fire access to explosive specialists and other forensic experts. We learned today that the one firefighter who was injured while responding has already been released from the hospital. No other injuries were reported, and search dogs did not indicate there was anyone in the rubble. The chief says part of what made the fire spread through the complex so quickly was the fact that sprinkler systems hadn't been installed yet, and a lot of the drywall that can act as a fire stop wasn't complete. In the end, it took 18 million gallons of water to put it out. I asked about the challenges investigators now face trying to figure out how a fire like this started.
This is a very large footprint. Lots of video to look at, lots of people to interview, lots of forensic stuff to look at, and we're hoping that team can help us through that.
The charred rubble and debris field left in the wake of the fire continues to draw the attention of drivers down Leetsdale. The road is still partially blocked. It will remain that way until crews are safely able to bring the building down. That could be another few days to up to a week from now. Investigators have opened up a tip line for anyone with information about how the fire may have started. That's 720-672-5101. In Denver, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.